Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Hey, love bugs. So today is Monday, November the 14th, I think. Yeah, is it the 14th? I think it's the 14th. Y'all, it's on the screen somewhere, just look. Today I got sort of a busy day. I need to bleach the knots on my wig. I need to go and pick up some groceries. I got my boyfriend's credit card, so I am going to go pick up a few more things for the house. And yeah, so I wanted to go ahead and start this vlog since the stuff that I'm doing actually in these streets. So yeah, I hope to bring you guys with me. If not, because sometimes I forget. I suck at this, y'all. Sometimes I completely forget. So just bear with me, y'all. Just bear with me. But yeah, that's the plan. So, oh, and I'm cooking. I'm cooking too. So I got a few things to do today. So yeah, just come along. Just come along. Come with me. Come with me.
I shouldn't be standing with a heart that's so heavy. I shouldn't be up with all the weight that I carry. Don't know if it's right, but I'm sticking with you. You're my only vice, I'm dependent on you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better, better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Dreaming about the good days when you put me first, baby. When you used to call me just to say that you miss me. Don't know how we got here, but I blame you. And I blame myself just for sticking with you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk you
Morning, people. Today is Tuesday. It is, I think, the 15th. Am I right? I think today is the 15th. Whatever it is, it should be on the screen somewhere. Journey's trying to speak. We don't have no bus driver, so we have to drive Journey Brown to school today in the rain. So that's not fun for me. We left out a little bit earlier than normal because obviously because it's raining, Juicy can't just go to the bus stop. So I had to take him to his bus stop, and I was not about to go back to the house just to leave right back out the house. So that's what we got going on today. I don't know what's going on with the transportation system, but here lately we just not having any bus drivers. Okay, there's no substitute bus drivers, nothing. Like, I was like, dang. Literally we are like, it's like it's no people want to work anywhere. It's everywhere short staff. Child, is this the line? I wonder, is that the line? Or are they parked? Oh, no, they're parked. Nope, that's the line. Nope, they're parked. I don't know. I think they parked. Yeah, this is the line. It's not bad. I think this is the earliest I've gotten Journey to school. I don't think they actually start moving until like 7:15. I think that's technically like when they open up. The mirror broke yesterday, so I have to go to Walmart and get a new mirror. And actually they had those mirrors on sale for like $20. I saw them that morning. I was like, huh, I don't even need a mirror. Child, I needed a mirror. Okay. So I needed a mirror because the one we had broke, and I'm sure I'll insert it somewhere on the screen so you guys can see.
But yesterday did rain.
I think it just rained a little bit. Why?
Oh, could go insurance. We're supposed to rain today.
It is raining today, and you don't even have your umbrella. I think it's gonna rain tomorrow too. I'll bring your umbrella from the other house. But put on your hat.
I had to get on this side, actually. Because I was supposed to.
Push this. Push it. Just push it.
I'm pushing.
Push some more. Push it hard. Okay. Alright, y'all, but I'll check back in with you guys later. I'm gonna, when I get to Walmart, I'll check in. Tell Journey bye. Alright, y'all, so I'm here at the Walmart waiting on them to bring out my mirror. I wish I would have just got the mirror, because when we went to Walmart yesterday, we did not see the mirror anywhere. And it was crazy because I had just went that morning and saw the mirrors. And I'm hoping, like, I hope Walmart don't try to play with me, because it's a particular color I want, and I hope they don't just like grab any mirror and be like, oh, here you go. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. So we shall see. But the way that my morning has been going, that's what is going to happen. But I'm trying not to put that in my energy while simultaneously putting it in my energy. Like, girl, I'm just going to be so aggravated. Oh, child, let me get this off. I'll let you guys know the results in a minute. Child, they came straight out. I got the mirror, so I'm gonna go back to the house, and once I get to the house, I'll let you guys see me putting it up, because he went ahead and put the thing there, so all I would have to do is hang it up, because we really thought I was gonna be able, he was gonna actually go back, but I was like, I can. So yeah, wish me luck, y'all.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop work is life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people. This is a city I met all my best friends, and I wanna thank every break. I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. I owe you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first time in Golden Gate Park. I saw my first rap show at Great American Hall. I used to beg my homies for a ride across the bridge.
Hello, everybody. And I'm in the car.
Not his bus stop.
He walked out. We're going somewhere. Like, are we going to we're going to a lecture? A lecture?
To Lake Shore.
Where's Lake Shore?
Just tell them you're going to Lake Shore.
We're going to Lake Shore.
Oh, see on the camera.
This might be a little fun. So y'all, let me show y'all what it looks like here right now. Bye.
Oh, that's
Why you not go to the one with the stars on top?
okay.
Okay. You remember the stars on the roof, Mom? Okay.
Okay.
Come on.
coming?
I'm sure her parents coming.
Oh. Can we get some Dippin' Dots?
Mom, give us some money, please.
Mom, you got some money?
Mom. Look over there.
What type of money you need?
Mom, you got the car? Give us the Dippin' Dots, please. Please. Please, Mom.
Come on.
If I get Dippin' Dots, we ain't eating.
How is that fair?
Popcorn.
I don't want.
Look, we can trade popcorn for 3, cause I can't even eat popcorn.
You eat what you want to eat. Last time I checked, you got a what's the name tomorrow?
Yeah, I can't eat it. And Dippin' Dots is melt in your mouth.
Mm-mm.
Can I have some Dippin' Dots?
I'm not buying Dippin' Dots. I'm not buying Dippin' Dots.
Mama.
Did you go to that arcade there? It's right there. Please.
Huh?
Please give me some money to go to the arcade. Please, Mom. Mom, please give you some money to go to the arcade. Mom. Mom. Mom.
Mama.
Mom. Mom. Can you give us some money to go to the arcade?
Girl, we are here to go to the movies. Okay. How much is it? And I figured it.
How long though? Look how long though?
No. You're not being mean.
Get out your butt, bud.
I thought I was true.
I said you thought he was sheriff.
He's better.
No.
I'm so tired.
Thank you very much, sir.
More old people.
Look at how you open it.
What?
Mm-hmm. It ain't focusing.
My chicken tenders, $8.19.
Chicken tenders. No, we not here to eat chicken tenders. You can eat chicken tenders.
Maybe mac and cheese bites?
Donuts, Mom? Yeah, donuts here. Mom. Mom, did I have donuts here? Did I have donuts here?
Popcorn.
I don't want
Mac and cheese bites.
I want ice cream. Mom, can I have some ice cream? Please.
I'm not ordering. Ron is ordering.
I want ice cream.
No, you don't even eat ice cream.
I ate that bougie pop.
You got nothing to hook it on. Let me turn around the big old seat.
I'm follow you like I'm paparazzi.
See no photographs.
What are they doing?
Oh no, they probably let her play something.
Run.
You don't want to let her go with her. I was in there watching the movie.
These are your rings.
told her
I'm married in. It is not the same. To Journey. What? Run. Okay, so, child. They are literally letting the kids play in the arcade. Literally. Movie over with. It's 8:25. Bedtime is 9. They playing in the arcade. Meanwhile, Juicy. Kristen, it's blurry. He doing exactly what you say he do.
Johnny, we ready to go. We bored.
She don't know what to do.
We ready to go. It's bored. Go get your other child.
I don't think she meant Juicy.
Where am I gonna sit? Yeah, I wanna go play, I'm ready to go so I can play Just Dance. So I went there the game. Yeah, I know.
Journey.
Yeah.
Is it working? So y'all could, no, I don't like it home. Y'all could went to the Dollar Tree and got one of them ball for
No, it ain't working. It ain't working.
You been ready to go all day. You been laid out.